What's the festival? What's the festival? Festival. Do you have an idea? Festival එකක් කියන්නේ in Sinhala අපි කියනවා annual. Especially annual. Annual means once a year. Our festival. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? You can see three small Vesak lantern and not a temple, stupa, Nagataskil. Then second one, you can see here what? You can see what? A mosque. Mosque. There are so many mosques in your area, especially in Ukuwela. Ukuwela area is known as mosque. Very good. In Sinhala, Palliya. Another one. There is a nice tree. We can see even in this classroom. What is that? It's a Christmas tree. And also there are some sweets in this picture. Normally our parents get ready for the festival and they are making sweets like oil cake, milk rice. What's the festival? What's that? Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. So now you know about festival held in our country. First one, Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Another one, Vesak festival. Another one, Christmas. Another festival, especially Tamil people are celebrating Deepavali. Have you heard about the Deepavali? Yes, Deepavali. These are some festivals. In our Sri Lanka, there are many ethnic groups. We are Sinhalese. What else? Another ethnic group. We are Sinhalese. Another one. How about in our country? Tamil people. Another ethnic group. Another race. What else? You might have seen, especially in Ukuwela area, Tamil peoples and Muslim peoples. What else? Have you heard about Malay? Malay race can I help you? It means Sri Lanka is a multi-ethnic country. Majority is Sinhala. Tamils, Muslims and Malay people are minority. අඩු කට්ටිය නේද? ප්‍රධාන ජාතිය තමයි main race is Sinhala. Okay. Today we are going to discuss and learn about our special festival. I am going to tell a name. Someone. Is he Sinhala or Tamil or Muslim? Sinhala. Sinhala. Meena. Meena. Tamil. Muralidharan. Have you heard about Muralidharan? Muttaya Muralidharan, famous cricketer. Is he Tamil or Sinhala? Muttaya Muralidharan. Tamil. Kabir Hashim. Another name. Muslim. Muhammad. Muslim. In addition to that, we have heard about the words like Pereira, Fernando, Aloysius, David. These are common in Christian people. They may be Sinhalese or Tamils, but Christian people. As Sinhalese, we are celebrating specially what festival? Sinhala විදියට අපි celebrate කරන්නේ මොන festival එකද? Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Muslims are celebrating what? Ramazan. They are fasting, nේද? They are fasting for a month. මාසයක් තිස්සේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? කෑම ගන්න නැතුව ඉන්නවා යම්කිසි වේලාවක් ඉන්න දෙයක්. ඒ වගේ they are celebrating special events. Tamil people are celebrating what? Deepavali festival. In addition to that, there is another festival. They are celebrating very special day. Try to remember. Special festival is very famous in Matale area. Matale very प्रसिद्ध. Especially, it is being held in January or February or around March. February, March to අතර තමයි celebrate කරන්නේ. මොකක්ද? Especially January. Thai Pongal Day. Thai Pongal Day එක celebrate කරනවා නේද? ඒ වගේ different ethnic groups are celebrating different festivals. We are celebrating Sinhala and Tamil New Year festival. Muslim people are celebrating Ramazan. Tamil people are celebrating Deepavali. Christians are celebrating Christmas. Okay? Now you know some special festival held in Sri Lanka. Okay. Let's do an activity. I am going to write names of the festival. After that you can read with me. First one, Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Okay. Another one, Deepavali. Another one, can you tell me? Ramazan. Special event. Vesak. And Christmas. These are the festivals what we celebrate within a year. අවුරුද්දක් තුළ අපි celebrate කරන festival. As Sinhalese, we are not going to celebrate Ramadan or Deepavali or Christmas. But a limited group in Sinhala, they are celebrating Christmas festival. Okay, first one. You stand up. Read out first one. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Okay, Bulanya. Sinhala and say it loudly. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Let me. New Year. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Saksara. Can you read first one? Sinhala and New Year. Vimanga, second one. Deepavali. Lasilu. Second one. Second one. This one. Deepavali. Deepavali. This one. Ramzan. This one. This one. Vesak festival. Leaning. This one. Christmas festival. Okay, sit down. Okay, give a big clap for all the. Okay. Right. As a next one, we are going to learn when we are celebrating this different festival. When we are celebrating different festivals, especially in which month, mona maasada අපි celebrate කරන්නේ නේද? Look at the first one. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. April වල තමයි celebrate කරන්නේ. Second one, Deepavali. Do you remember that? Deepavali. Month of November. Remember? I'm going to ask it again. Deepavali. Ramazan. Around February and March. Then Vesak festival, May. Then Christmas, December. Especially December. Last festival we are celebrating at end of year. Okay. Take out your workbook. This is your one. Workbook. Turn to page number 25. Then you have to remember, before we are going to do the activity, you have to remember special festivals and celebrating month. විශේෂ උත්සවයයි ෆෙස්ටිවල් එකයි මොකද්ද? මාසයයි. Vesak. Which one you will be celebrating this one? This Vesak festival? May. Month of May. Can you write the word May on the green board? Who is going to write this one? Okay. Come to Vimanga. you can write the month. Very good. Give a big clap for the winning number. Okay. Next, I'm going to write Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Who is going to write this one? Okay. Come here. Okay. April. Is it correct? Hari Dehinde? Ah, very good. Give a big tap. Next one. Deepavali. Gulanya, can you write? Deepavali is special festival celebrated in November by which people? How to celebrate Tamil people. What's the month? What's the month? November. Come here. Let's try. Others can tell the letters. Okay. First letter. What's the first letter? Ah, okay. You can write A. Next letter. O. Next. B. E. M. B. E. E. Not I. E. Last letter. What's the last letter? R. Okay. Give a big clap for the Dulania. November. Deepavali is celebrated in November. Okay. What else? Christmas. What's the month? December. Saksara come here. Others can spell the letters. First letter. Say it loudly. Say it loudly. D. 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 December. D.